Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Notion for real estate management, your full 2025 guide. First up, let's create a new page in Notion and title it Properties. This will serve as our main dashboard. The reason we do this is to have a centralized location to manage all the property information. Now that we've done that, let's create a table on this page. This table will contain all the critical data about our properties, including address, purchase price, rental income, and so on. This helps us because it provides a quick snapshot of our entire real estate portfolio. Next up, we'll add a notes column to the table. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This column will allow us to jot down any necessary notes about a particular property. This could be anything from tenant-related issues to upcoming maintenance tasks. It's a handy way to keep track of any essential details. After setting up the table, let's take advantage of Notion's relational database feature. We'll create a new page titled Tenants and link it to our Properties page. This ensures that we can easily track which tenants are associated with which properties. Lastly, let's use Notion's reminder feature to set up payment reminders. Just input the rental due dates in a reminder column. This way, we'll never miss a rent collection date. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to use Notion for real estate management. Remember, the key here is to keep everything organized and centralized. Notion helps you do just that, making your real estate management considerably easier. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.